Okay, what we have here is the new electricgrill Char Broil Edge. Saw a lot of comments on the Char Broil website, and basically they said there's no YouTube unboxing demonstrations or anything like that. So got this off of Amazon. I didn't get it off the website because I could get it the next day. I got it yesterday, and they were providing free build. So I said, why not? I'll have my guy come over today and build it. But I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna make sure there's no damage. I'm gonna make sure that all the parts are there. And then Andre, the barbecue builder, will be coming over to put it together, and we'll get a video of that. But for right now, let's just do that weirdo unboxing thing. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut each one of the corners and lay this down inside. We're in Arizona. It's about 113 degrees outside and it's humid. It's monsoon season. I don't want to build it outside. We can build it in here and then we can put it back out on the patio, or put it out on the patio where it's going to belong. We live in a condo, apartment dwellers. This is what you gotta have. You gotta have electric. You can't have fuel unless in your place you can, but no gas, no charcoal, propane, anything like that. So electric is the way to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these corners down, lay this out. So this will be the area that Andre will be building this awesome looking edge barbecue grill. Let's do it. I don't have box cutters. Lots of good packing. We've got double packing on each side, inside this box on each side there. Way to go, Char Broil. Unleash your edge. Let's get started. All right. So this is a for the built scan for easy 3D instructions. Just put your QR code on there, and then you'll get the instructions, which I'm going to leave to Andre. Got a quick start guide, the on, temperatures, all that kind of stuff. We'll go through that later. So here we've got the top for some of the components. Nothing looks damaged so far. Looks pretty good. Now I don't want to take everything out and just start laying it all over the place yet. Andre's going to be, wanting to go through it himself and know where everything's at. But all the packaging looks really good. We've got the instructions. Tools, which think Andre's going to be bringing that, but we got the screws, fuse. Obviously, the fuse is going to be for the starter, I'm assuming. It even comes with its own little brush. I almost bought one of these. Glad I did. And then that's one of the pieces right next to the grill on the top. We'll see that when it's built. Everything's looking good so far. Again, great packaging, great padding all the way around. I don't see any scratches. No dents. Overall, it's looking pretty nice. More items on the inside here, what we'll go through. Got a drill inside there. So basically, this has come really well packaged. Looks great, totally satisfied. I like this knurling right here. And then the smooth just adds an extra touch. The screen's gonna look nice. The only thing, a couple fingerprints from the guy that probably packed it. That's it. So I'll keep going and we'll see how it turns out. These are your grill grates. I know they call the with the burners, and then this they call it like an infrared because it doesn't flare up or anything. Looks awesome. Keeps the flame rates down. We'll go through all that when we go through using it. But again, for an unboxing, pretty happy. Char Broil, way to go.